it less. But I'm not trying to manipulate and stir a lot on the pot, on the jar, because I don't want to create it as an air bubble. So you need to do is really go it with one downwards. I mean, did I say it right? All right. And then we're gonna add some glitter in there. Okay, looks really cool though, right? But it's gonna set level. In the meantime, I just want to make sure that I will close the lids, because sometimes is if your studio is right in on the sides of the window, you do not want it to open like this, and those natural solars will definitely kill this. So you do not want it to open, so make sure it close, and then storage in this like cool area, so then you can protect your investment is for a long time. And then now, since it's salt level, in the meantime I am closing the lids. I go ahead and using the other end of the brush, and I start tucking in the cuticles. So when you see that I place the velvety gels, I place it close to the cuticles. It's about a hair away from a cuticle. Try not to get too close, because then you don't want, it's not going to salt level right into your cuticle, but just a hair, because then you can using your tip of your bristle and then tuck it in, so you can make it even perfect. So then that way less of filing for you, and you get enjoy more time. If the set of using a velvety gels, it will save you 15 minutes on your new set. Guess what? You have 10-15 minutes to able to take a break, go to the bathroom, grab something to eat, or even to posting on social media. So then you can able to expose this more and get more as clients in your appointment books. And for all of you doing it home, which is effortless, kids go to bed, you can able to really like nail this one down when you have a spare moments watching social media, and then do your nails at the same time. So you're like, oh my gosh, my bead dry. This is not going to dry until your art is going to set. So whether you are is a DIY nail lover, or you are the nail technician, this is going to be absolutely a game changer. So you see that I didn't have to doing so much to manipulating, just a little bit bubble right there. You just simply using your beige gels and just really gently tap on it, and then all the bubbles will be definitely disappear. So we're gonna be we're using a gels beige gel, so that's why it will able to manipulating the designs, I mean the nails. Also, it was definitely not gonna break down your product. Look at that, I didn't even do like upside down or turn the nails yet, but it's salt level absolutely smoothing with the beige gels. So let's add some glitter on. We have a lot of questions for velvety gels. I really want to see all of you to be successful, and that's what is ours passions and our goals. I'm gonna add a little bit bigger glitter. And you can add this bigger glitter, thicker one with the glitter one. Just nice like that. And then adds, hey, this is like too far leaf. I love maple leaves. It's the best things, the best way to doing it with your encapsulate right now when your nails is still wet before you cure. However you want, you can do whole nails, you can do like half of the nails, do however you would like. You can't create it so many different so many different designs, really absolutely effortless. All right, add more as you prefer. Tip it in, and then look at it on the sides. So how nice and flat it is. I mean, the smooth it is. All right, so we are going to cure this for 30 seconds. You need to stop touching it. Yeah, I just drop it. He'll just drop it. So, but is this okay? Well, when you're doing the real client's hand, you can't drop their hand until they are moving. So he tried to grab it so then he can cure it. But it's okay. We're gonna fix it. So just in case you accidentally, you look like really excited like this, right? And the clients, I say, oh my God, it's so beautiful, Nancy. And I start watching like this or turning the hand without that knowing it's not dry. That I did that all the time. And then I did that to Mika one time at the show. I said, oh, it's so beautiful, because she showed me right before she cured, and I thought it cured, and I touched it. I said, oh my gosh, you should tell me. I said, oh, you were so excited. I didn't know that you were going to touch it. As it, bam. But look, thebomb.com. I fix it and it's salt level. Okay, clear for 30 seconds first. And then we are going to using a crystal clear and cap that beautiful glitter. Why is this only 6 glitter out of like 100 different glitters that Glitz has in the collections, and it's really good selling? Because we want to narrow it down with 6 colors that for you, so then you can definitely won't be overwhelming and still create a so beautiful set of nails. You gotta see this one in person because it's hard to showing it under the camera. Look at that. This is a blueberry and it's cheesy. It's look like a raspberry now. So I am go ahead and using crystal clear, like it's really, really clear. And then cap over the nails. So when is your moments in your nails like this is really is very have is the air pockets, which is, you know, the bubbles. Only when you are scooping it off from your jar, just make sure that you know if you're using too much, you can able to get less, but then you don't want to stir the pot because you do not want to have a lot of air pocket. However, when you go into the nails for the manipulating nails and then building the nails is really a rare minimums of you getting an air pockets. So that it mean is more a new set and more enjoy it for you without frustrating with, oh my God, it's a lot of air pockets. So that is eliminating it of that. So I'm submerging my bristles into the beige gels. It's after a long time that we can able to get a really good beige gels that it will able to work compatible with our products line. It's not only to work perfectly with Velvetty gels, so then the products will not breaking down. Also, it gives the flexibility of the Velvetty gel, so then it's only stronger but it's not brittle. And also, if you are using a dipping powder and you're using a dipping set, you can able to wipe it quick, and you can able to using a beige gel to apply it first before you polishing, so then that way your gel polish will not peel off on the top of the dipping. So I'm gonna make sure that it's no messies underneath and on the side. I always tape it on the side. You know why? Because then that way is less filings for you later. All right. Great. Let's take a look on the sides. You see how cool it is? Okay, good. You can